Hey there, beautiful people. Come clean our kitchen and living room with us today. So without any further ado, let's get it.
Perfect.
So if you guys don't know, we have been in our new home for 2 weeks now, and when we first moved in, everything was deep cleaned, polished, disinfected, and all that. So every weekend, well, almost every day, we try to go through the house and clean up as much as possible. But since we have a free day together, we decided that we're going to get this place nice and clean, starting with the kitchen and the living room. All right, so as you can see, the big guys in the background, clean up, moving stuff around. So we have to go through all of our stuff, like his toys and everything, because unfortunately the stuff that was in the box, you guys know the box that we use to transport our stuff from Maryland to here, some of the things got wet. There was mildew on some things, so we're not happy about that. But that's why we make it a mission to go through everything, disinfect it, clean it up, because we don't play that. We don't play that, especially with kids. So yeah, we are not happy about that, but we're doing what we can to keep everything nice and clean, everything sanitized, and all the good stuff. So yeah, it's a must, okay? So our house is not fully decorated yet, so I'm still buying things, trying to find things here and there for a really good price. So once I get everything situated and all that good stuff, I promise you guys will get a room tour of each room and all that good stuff. But for now, we're just utilizing what we have and what we find here and there, and that's just how it is.
Perfect. Perfect.
So although having kids and, you know, having a baby especially, your house tends to not stay clean all the time. But because I love this house so much and it's so nice, I try to make it a mission to keep it clean. You know, Maddie, she's old enough where she helps out. Pretty much she has chores. Like, she knows that she's old enough to get an allowance now, so she loves to help clean up as well. So we try to make it clean as possible because we don't want this house to look, you know, toe up from the floor up, okay? My battery's about to die. My battery ended up dying and I had to wait an hour for my battery to charge again. But while I was still in charge, we were still cleaning, still getting things situated and all that. One thing I love about Saturdays, or when my husband doesn't have to work, or if he's not tired from work, is, you know, cleaning up, getting the house in order, because, you know, we're the only ones here. We don't have family, friends here. This is one of the ways that we bond with each other, by cleaning up, you know, going through our stuff, unpacking. And it's actually kind of fun. I know it's kind of a weird fun, but it's actually kind of fun because we just look back on all the stuff that we packed that we didn't need, or stuff that we don't need. So we just like moments like this because we work as a team, we work together very well, and we get stuff done. Yes, y'all, Tristan is trying to walk and be on the move. So if you guys check out my vlogging channel, you'll see more of what he is doing now, okay? So once I'm done getting everything cleaned up, straightened up, taken care of, thrown away, then I like to sweep the floor. And one thing I love about our floors is, of course, it's wood, but also that all we have to do is sweep. And we use our Swiffer jet to clean the floors as well. We do have a vacuum. We love our Shark vacuum, which we loved in our old house, but we don't need it for the main floor except the carpet. But with the kind of carpet that we have, it kind of sticks to it. So all we do is we use a broom for the most part. We use the broom mostly on the wood part, but push come to shove, we'll use it on the carpet. Once my house is nice and clean, it is time to celebrate. Woo, because we got stuff done. Yay! So I'm going to try to do a clean with me with each room because, you know, I wish everything could stay clean, but that's not a reality right now. So I'll try to do each room, you know, every week or so. So if you like that, give me a big thumbs up. Feel free to share this video. Comment down below what are your favorite things to do as far as cleaning and stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.